Little storyteller.
Larry the Lifeguard was a big friendly bear with bright blue eyes and a whistle that hung around his neck. He loved his job watching over the sunny splash pool. The sun was warm, the water sparkled, and happy animal families splashed and played. Larry sat tall in his lifeguard chair, a fluffy white towel neatly folded beside him. Sometimes, though, Larry's mind would wander. He might think about the yummy honey his mama made, or the funny joke his squirrel friend Squeaky had told him. One sunny afternoon, a little bunny named Pip was having a wonderful time in the shallow end. Pip had soft, gray fur and long, floppy ears. He loved to kick his little feet and make splashes. He paddled around happily, giggling with his ducky friend Quackers. But after a while, Pip started to feel a little tired. His little legs felt heavy, and it became harder to kick. He didn't want to bother his mama, who was chatting with another bunny nearby, so he tried to keep paddling. Larry was watching the children play. He saw a bright red ball bouncing near the edge of the pool, and started thinking about how much fun it would be to play catch. But then his eyes scanned across the water, and he saw Pip. Pip was not splashing as much anymore, and his ears were drooping a little. Larry remembered what his lifeguard teacher had told him. Always watch closely. Sometimes, when someone is tired, they don't splash or call for help. Larry blew his whistle gently. Tweet, tweet, to get everyone's attention. Then he stood up and walked quickly to the edge of the shallow end. Pip, are you feeling okay? Larry asked kindly, his big shadow falling gently over the little bunny. Pip looked up at Larry with wide eyes. I'm a little tired, he whispered, his voice small. Larry gently helped Pip out of the pool. He wrapped the fluffy white towel around Pip, making sure the little bunny was warm. Pip's mama hopped over, her nose twitching with worry. Larry smiled reassuringly. Pip was just a little tired from all the splashing, he explained. Pip's mama thanked Larry with a big hug. Pip snuggled into the warm towel, feeling much better already. From that day on, Larry the lifeguard always remembered to watch the pool very closely. He learned that being alert meant noticing even the small things, like a little bunny who wasn't splashing as much. And because Larry was so alert, everyone at the Sunny Splash pool stayed safe and had lots of fun. Larry smiled, knowing that being a good lifeguard meant keeping his eyes wide open. Did you know that even animals can get tired when they swim? It's important to take breaks and drink lots of water, just like Pip.
Please subscribe. Thank you.